Hi, and welcome back to my channel. I'm showing you the pest-free living fly stick. So this is great, especially if you have flies or gnats. You can use it for indoor and outdoor, and it is pretty economical. These don't really cost that much. One thing I like about this is it is very easy. You just take it out of the package and it's already set up. You don't have to do anything with it. So when you take it out, it looks just like this. So you have to be careful not to touch it because it's very sticky, extremely sticky. So when the gnats lay a hold, when it goes to it and sticks on it, it can't get off and they just die on the stick. It's great because it has like a little clip where you can kind of hang it on something, hang it up high, hang it wherever you want to hang it. So that's a great thing. I use these for my upstairs and downstairs. We get a lot of gnats during the summertime. And I use other stuff too. You can see on my channel what I use. For me, multiple things helps to keep the gnat population down in my house. So I will show a video of the gnats on, this is a brand new one, but I'll show you how the gnats are attracted to it. I noticed in my house, the most problem we're having is in our kitchen area. So that trap was full of gnats. But everywhere else I have the traps, I've not really seen gnats on it. So it probably depends on where they're populating. I still like to have them in different places just in case, along with a zapper that I have. So just want to give you a heads up of something that is easy to use and very convenient. Just take it out the box and set it up and you're good to go. And if you don't want to hang it, you can just kind of sit it, it'll sit straight up as well. Thanks for watching.